Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with the book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 8 by Seraphic Era Publications. Let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 18, the great Indian philosophers. We are going to talk about the great Indian philosophers. We'll read the topics, we'll read the lines and then write the answers for them. Let's begin with the chapter. It says that some of the world's major religions were first practiced in India, which is known as the land of spirituality and philosophy. Now we will complete the following with the help of the help desk. So let's begin with the first question. The first statement given over here is Aryabhatta wrote the famous book on astronomy, which was called the Aryabhatiya. The next is Dash was the chief advisor of Chandragupta Maurya and he was none other than the Chanakya, and the other name of Chanakya was also Kautilya. So you can also call him as Chanakya or Kautilya. Then the third one is Dash built the famous Vitthal temple of Vijayanagara and he was Devaraya II. So Devaraya II was responsible for building the famous Vitthal temple. Then we have the fourth statement. It says the Dash major Purans are there in India. So there are in all 18 major Purans. Fifth is the four dhams of the Hindus are Puri, Rameshwaram, Badrinath and the last one is Dwarka. Sixth statement says the dash years is the estimated time span of Kali Yuga. And what is the number of years? The answer is 4,32,000 years. Then next seventh one. Dash in ancient India is known as the golden age of India. So this is the age known as the Gupta age. The Gupta age in ancient India is known as the golden age of India. The last one given over here, it says that Dash was the court and official language of Mughals, and the answer is Persian. Persian. Persian is the court and official language of Mughals. So with this we have completed all the fill in the blanks given in this chapter. Let's move on further. A quick fact has been given in this chapter. Let's read. It says that India is one of the few countries on the earth in which the social and the religious structures that define the nation's identity, they remain intact as they were earlier. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.